The proverb runs most truly, so it seems to me, of the scalded man who dreads the lukewarm evermore. For a false coward whom all point to openly, so strongly feigns he's taken for himself and war. My servant is of whomsoever I may have made it, since in his heart he knows all the evils that are there, and since he takes it for his own, let none evade it. I'll do him the honor that I grant and give him as a share. Should reproach me with deceit's own treachery, for I am loyal, and he's so false that in no way would he dare turn and face so much as a cat's degree. Nor would he take the right that would be his to claim and say. For a man who never struck a blow nor took a wound in fray seems not to me one who could do any good deed anywhere. For as soon as his soul alarms, he panics in dismay. Never was man of such false pretense in the air. Call me juggler in his plea, for with another he goes and another comes with me. And I give without taking and he takes without giving share, for into his body he puts all he takes by mercy rare. But I take nothing from which shame might fall my way, rather I spend my income and want no guerdon's care, save only of love. So it seems to me he should decay and I should rise, if one judges us with reason fair. For only because he knows how to comb and preen and array, and because he feigns all day he knows not what affair, and because he knows how to twist and gaze and mirrors play, I think every lady finds the light in him somewhere. But I do not believe a worthy lady would draw near to such a vile body for such a vile occasion's prayer. But since to the cruel befits a lady false and fair, he can find her up there in Castle Babon's lair. Has a shirt starched for display, and for a war horse he wants an ambling palfrey fair. And instead of helm he has a hood pressed crisp and gay, and for a shield he takes a mantle and holds it there. And if for this love gives him aught that pleases his affair, one may reproach love itself with treason snare. But love does not save him gay, seeming false and bare. The false finer for nothing